Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a little tutorial based on the look I'm wearing right now. It's featuring a product that I reviewed in my last video, the Kosas 10-second eyeshadow. I'm going to be using my favorite color, which is Astronaut. This is a really simple makeup tutorial, definitely beginner level, just like most of my tutorials. Very basic, very simple, easy to do in 10 minutes. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this look, please keep watching. And as always, before we begin the tutorial, I just want to remind you to please like this video if you enjoyed it or found it helpful. It really helps me know what kind of videos to make in the future. If you did enjoy this video, please make sure to subscribe. I do lots of makeup tutorials, beauty reviews, even some travel vlogs here and there. And I'm also starting to add some fashion videos to my channel. If there's anything I haven't done that you'd like to see, please comment down below and let me know. I'm always up for suggestions. Alright, so here we go. I've already put on my sunscreen and my foundation. Those are just easier to do off camera and honestly not that interesting because I do a pretty basic application. But next up, I always put on my blush. I almost always, any day I'm wearing makeup, I put on this Dusk cloud paint from Glossier. And then I usually put on a different color. That color depends on how I'm feeling that day. I like to mix it in with this. This is just a really great base color. I just use my fingers and I pat it around just in a C shape, going all the way up to my eyebrow. So next up, I'm gonna mix in a little bit of Glossier's Beam Cloud Paint. This is kind of a brighter corally color on my skin tone that I really like when I wanna look more like bright and sunny and awake. I also like to mix in maybe like a pink or red tone with this color. I like to do that a lot in the summer. But today I'm just going to apply this right on the apples of my cheeks. I'm going to creep it up a little bit like I like to do. A little bit up here and a little bit on the nose. But otherwise, I'm going to keep it in this area of my face. I'm not going to put it on the top or on my chin. Just in this area. Right now I'm using 3 products, devices, tools for my eyebrows. Kind of deceptive because I'm kind of reusing some packaging. The main product I use is Glossier's Brow Flick, which isn't like my favorite product I've ever used, but it gets the job done and I want to use this up. I don't think I'll be buying it again because I want to try more of a pot next time. Also, if you watch any of my videos while I was living in Korea, the Innisfree Brow Cara was like my #1 brow gel. A little bit more difficult to get here in the US. So I've started doing soap brows, which is an older routine from the 40s, 20s, long time ago, where you just get a spoolie, rub it on a bar of soap, and use that to tame your brows. It's been working really well for me. So I can't speak for maybe less bushy brows, maybe it won't hold as well, but it really locks down my unwieldy bushy brows. So I've just been using my old Fixer Cara brush just because I really liked the spoolie on that. I've been using that and just putting a little soap on it. And then this guy is my old ColourPop brow pencil. I really like their brow pencils. I don't like how quickly they run out. So I'm not going to be purchasing it again unless I can't find anything better, but I really, really love this little guy here, this little spoolie, and I like to just keep it as a dry spoolie to brush my brows if I need to. Okay, eyebrows, pretty simple. Just going to brush through like this to make sure, basically just brushing my eyebrows like I brush my hair because my eyebrows can get real crazy when I wake up in the morning. So what I do, I shake up the pen and then I just start to kind of outline my eyebrows. I do little strokes because that's what this type of tool is really good at, doing some like hair-like strokes. Just to, obviously my brows are pretty full, but there are some areas that are less full than others, so that's usually my main goal when I'm doing my brows is to kind of like even them out so I'm more happy with how they look. So once I fill them in a little bit, obviously they're a little messy, but that's what the soap and then the dry brushing's for. So I already put a little bit of soap on this guy. Usually I would just kind of go in my shower and rub it on my bar of soap, but it's already on this cute little brush. And I'm just gonna brush it through And then what I'm gonna do, since I have a few areas that are a little extra red, that I want a little extra coverage on, is I'm gonna take my tried and true Bare Minerals powder concealer, which I've used, oh my god, I've been using this for like a couple years now. I love it so much. I still can't believe that it works so well on my bone dry skin, especially in the winter. And I put a little bit in the cap here, like I usually do. I'm going to use this Real Techniques brush. This is the brush I use to apply my foundation initially. It has a little slider so you can make it more or less dense for your choosing. And I'm just going to put a little bit in and just put it all over my face. So now that we've done all the face stuff, all the blending and coloring, I'm going to go in with the Kosas 10-second eyeshadow. I did a review on this about 2 weeks ago, and I'm really, really excited about these. This was the color I was most excited about. I did a little application in that video showing you how it looked over my whole lid, but since I put out that video, I also tried this as an eyeliner, and I really, really like it as an eyeliner. It's really easy to apply, and it stays all day. Very, very nice, especially in oily eyelids because I kind of avoid that creasing with an eyeliner. I already shook it up so I could hear the clicking. I'm gonna pull it out. I'm gonna make sure not to tip this bottle over because it is very liquidy. And I'm gonna take a concealer brush, and then I'm just gonna apply a little bit along my lash line. And before it dries, because like the name suggests, it dries really quick, I'm just going to take my little concealer brush and I'm going to move it around so it's more of an eyeliner shape. And then once I've gotten it into a nice eyeliner shape that I like, whether you want to do a cat eye or not, I'm going to go in and just apply a little bit more product over the areas I've already applied some. Alright, and then once I'm done with the eyeliner, I'm happy with the shape, I'm going to curl my lashes and put on my mascara. And for the final touches, I'm just going to put on a little pink lipstick, and this is just Glossier's lipstick in Crush. Alright, and this is the finished look. It's honestly super easy, and it's a lot quicker when you're not describing exactly what you're doing every second. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please give this video a thumbs up, and make sure to subscribe to see more videos like this. And I will see you guys next time. Thanks!